If you're trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion. Elon Musk. I think it's very important to have a feedback loop where you're constantly thinking about what you've done and how you could do it better. Elon Musk. The first step is to establish that something is possible. Then probability will occur. Elon Musk. I think it's very important to have a sense of adventure, and it's also very important to be persistent. Elon Musk. The harder something is, the more rewarding it is. Elon Musk. I think that persistence is very important. You should never give up on something that you really care about. Elon Musk. I'm not afraid of failure. I'm afraid of not trying. Elon Musk. The future is going to be amazing, and I want to be part of it. Elon Musk. I think it's important to have a sense of humor, because life is too short to be serious all the time. Elon Musk. I don't think there's any limit to what humans can achieve. Elon Musk. I'm not afraid of hard work. I think hard work is the key to success. Elon Musk. I think it's important to have a strong work ethic. You have to be willing to put in the hours. Elon Musk. I think it's important to be passionate about what you do. If you're not passionate, it's going to be very difficult to succeed. Elon Musk. I think it's important to have a good team. You can't do everything by yourself. Elon Musk. I think it's important to have a vision for the future. If you don't have a vision, it's going to be very difficult to achieve anything. Elon Musk.